Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best oatmeal hypoallergenic dog shampoo in the 16 ounces category. Bark2Basics Oatmeal Dog Shampoo. If your furry friend struggles with dry, itchy, or irritated skin, stay with us because this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive straight into what makes this shampoo so special. Bark2Basics Oatmeal Shampoo is crafted with natural colloidal oatmeal, not just your average oatmeal extract. This colloidal form is a finely ground version that allows the oatmeal to be evenly dispersed in water, enhancing its ability to coat, soothe, and nourish your dog's skin. Right from the first wash, you'll notice how this shampoo calms irritation and leaves the coat softer and silkier than before. And while many products claim to be gentle, this one truly delivers. It's soap-free and pH-balanced specifically for a dog's skin. This means it won't strip away natural oils or cause further dryness. It's gentle enough for regular use and powerful enough to bring relief to even the itchiest dogs, and yes, it's also safe for cats. So if you have a multi-pet household, this is a win-win. One standout feature is the concentration. This shampoo is ultra-concentrated at a 16:1 ratio. That means 1 part shampoo can be mixed with up to 16 parts water. You're not just getting 16 ounces of product. You're getting excellent value with the ability to stretch this bottle into multiple washes. You can also use it full strength if your dog needs extra care. Either way, it's a versatile and economical option for pet owners and professional groomers alike. Bark2Basics is a salon-grade product trusted by expert groomers who handle a variety of coats and skin types every day. When they rely on this shampoo to get the job done right, you know your dog is in good hands. A light, refreshing coconut fragrance that doesn't overwhelm. It deodorizes gently, leaving your pet not just clean but genuinely pleasant smelling. And there's no need to worry about artificial nastiness. The ingredients are naturally derived, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and biodegradable. But there's more. It won't wash off topical flea and tick treatments when used as directed. So your dog's protection stays intact even after a thorough bath. This is a detail that many other shampoos miss, but Bark2Basics gets it just right. And perhaps the best part, it's made in the USA. Each batch is handcrafted in small quantities to ensure the highest quality and consistency. You're not getting a mass-produced formula. You're getting carefully developed, purpose-driven care for your pet. So if your dog has dry or irritated skin, or if you simply want a shampoo that soothes, conditions, and smells amazing, look no further. Bark2Basics Oatmeal Dog Shampoo is a professional-grade, naturally derived, value-packed product that genuinely earns its place as the best oatmeal hypoallergenic 16 ounces dog shampoo on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what product you want us to cover next. See you in the next one.